Yes. So now next topic is possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. So why they are discussing adjective with pronoun here? I'm telling you. First you have to be very much clear with adjective and pronoun. Adjective is a word. Listen carefully. Adjective is a word which is used for noun or pronoun. For example, Ram is a good boy. So good is used for Ram, right? She is very much arrogant. That arrogant is used for the girl, right? So these are the words which are used for noun or pronoun. But pronoun is what? Pronoun is the word which replaces noun, which is used in place of noun is called pronoun. Now next question is why we are discussing possessive adjective and pronoun. So I'm telling you, first let us start with, again, for all these kind of pronoun you just have to rethink for person, first person, second person and third person. So first person singular, first person plural, second, I'm taking you from first column, first person, second person, third person, second column number. So this will be read as first person singular, first person plural, second person singular, second person plural, third person singular, third person plural. Now first person singular possessive pronoun, just come to this column, possessive pronoun. So first person singular possessive pronoun is mine, first person plural possessive pronoun is ours, right? So I'm reading mine, ours, yours, right? Yours, his, hers, its, theirs. Let me remind you, when we write formal letter, then when we write letter, then we used to write yours truly, yours sincerely, yours obediently. Which yours? This yours without apostrophe. Sometimes we put apostrophe, it's a senseless expression. We should never use apostrophe in yours, right? Without apostrophe, you please note down here, that's a ours without apostrophe, yours without apostrophe, hers without apostrophe, its, both its are there. Apostrophe wala its is different, but this its is different, right? And theirs, right? Why? Because when we put question whose and you get answer, this answer is possessive pronoun. Who's this class? Then your answer will be this class is either ours or mine, right? This class is yours, right? And then what is the difference between my and mine, right? I'm just giving example. Listen carefully. This is my class. Please listen carefully. This is my class. But you can say this class is mine. So then my class. Just now I told you that adjective is a word which qualifies noun. In this sentence, this is my class. Class is noun, and before noun, my is used. This my is used as an adjective which is used for class, right? And that is why my is, this is my class. So my is not pronoun, my is adjective. So this is my class. You can say the same, this class is mine. I used to give example in the class that suppose some other students come to your class for lunch, and then one day you just warn them, don't spoil my class, and you say that this is our class or this is my class, right? But they don't listen. Next time you are showing your anger and you would say that don't spoil our class. Why? Because this way you can show your anger. This class is ours, not this is our class. That's a mild expression. But when you are angry, you can say this class is ours, right? So that becomes our becomes ours. And that is why my, our, your, his. Please take care. It's not he, him, and his. He is used in the beginning as a subject. Him is used after the verb as an object, and his third word is available, which is used for belongingness or possessive adjective. That is, this is his problem. This problem is his. We don't use such kind of sentence frequently, that's why it may be awkward to you, but yes, this is his problem, right? This problem is his. So his is another option. For females there are only two options. One is, or we may say that third option, that's a she and her and hers. For males, three options, but then he, him, or his, right? So that is different issue. But yes, my, our, your, his, her, it's there. Now these are known as possessive adjective. Now important thing, please, I would like to tell you that yours, what is yours for letter writing? Please take care, don't put apostrophe after your and before s, no apostrophe. This yours means you are talking about possessive pronoun. You used to write yours truly. Yours truly means this school belongs to you, this college belongs to you. In that case, that yours will be like this without apostrophe, right? Now next column is, so I think you must have understood possessive adjective. Don't indulge with possessive adjective and pronoun. I'm just telling you how to use my and mine, your and yours. For example, your friend is not submitting his project on time, so that I can say that no, this is his problem, right? This problem is hers, this is their problem, this problem is theirs. So this generally after helping verb we use s expression, right? So mine में s नहीं होता, but ours, yours, hers and theirs and its. Yes, it's, let me tell you, if I say that it's your problem, so what it's I'm talking about, that pronunciation is same, but that is it is short form of it is. Here in that it apostrophe will be there, but in this case it's no apostrophe, and when no apostrophe wala it's will be used, that is called uska. Small baby toddlers, there is no gender discrimination of 0 to 3 years child. उनका मेल फीमेल नहीं होता, तो कहते कि द बेबी हैज़ फॉलन इट्स फूड, द बेबी हैज़ फॉलन इट्स फूड, बच्चे ने उसका खाना गिरा दिया, उसका, तो विदाउट अपॉस्ट्रोफी, दैट इट्स. UGC हैज़ declared the norms and declared its norms without apostrophe, this it's, right? Please take care that in note DABB has written in its notification that with before deadline, whatever the news, right? So it's, when we would like to tell it's means uska wala sense, then you just have to write without apostrophe. And when you say it's your problem, when you are saying that it is, then that's a apostrophe wala. So please take care. Now last column, that is reflexive pronoun. I gave you example where we do mistake, myself. we introduce ourselves with myself. Never say myself. I gave you example, I myself, she herself, he himself. I am taking you to first column, that's a subjective pronoun. So all self pronoun are always used with subjective pronoun. Means reflexive, as name suggests that these are the reflexive pronouns. So any reflection cannot be used without any object, right? For example, moonlight. Moonlight is the reflection of sunlight. So without sunlight there is no moonlight, right? So that's a reflection actually. So myself is the reflection of I, ourselves is the reflection of we, right? Yourself is the reflection of you, है ना? This way you just have to take care. And one more thing you must have noticed, that ourselves, F, many a time we used to write OURSELFS. Don't write ourselves, that is already plural because that's a plural pronoun, right? So myself, ourselves, yourself, when you say, that's a singular, but yourselves is plural, himself, herself, itself, and themselves, right? Themselves, because themselves is plural. So please take care of spellings here. Now before summing up, I'm telling you that first I is always used as subject. So don't say that he, me and my friend are going to market. My friend and I, right? First you have to write my friend and then you have to write my friend and me. No, my friend and I have to go to market today, right? Or are going to market today, whatever. And next problem, common error we do, me, I told you, then yours, right? So in letter writing, please take care, yours without apostrophe. Apostrophe yours is senseless, it's nothing, कुछ होता ही नहीं है उसका meaning. So please take care when you write yours without apostrophe will be written. And third common problem, when we introduce ourselves with myself. No, never say myself. When you open your mouth in your interview or viva, then it leaves very bad impression. So what would you say? Good morning, I am so and so, or my name is so and so, or this is so and so. It is better to speak I am so and so. So next session, when I am going to take one session how to introduce ourselves, then I will tell you why I am, what's the difference between I am so and so. When do we use I am? When do we use this is? When do we use my name? In next session, definitely I would like to tell you. And here I am summing up, but yes, I would like to listen your query. I would like to address your query. So please leave your questions on the on here. So I would like to give you answer. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.